Hey everyone, I just built this e-bike, Genesis V2100 frame. I think it's from Walmart. Front wheel is a 26-inch 1000 watt motor. It does have a 36 volt, 48 volt controller, which is mounted on this one bar. Controller's back here zip tied in, as well as the battery. The battery right now is a 36 volt, which is good enough to power this. The wires here are pretty much all temporary. Those need to be hidden as well. On the front, I do have these torque arms, and they are mounted this way after seeing how people say I should mount them this way rather than the other way, which how other YouTubers are doing it. I do have two of them. This has the SW900 display, which is capable of both 36 and 48 volts, and it does have up to 5 modes. You may have seen in the previous frame I had these kind of connectors. You can see they burned out. You're supposed to solder them in. And now we're taking it for a ride. It does ride like a regular bicycle, except with the fact that the gear shifter on the right side is kind of messed up due to the handle placement. Regardless, I was still able to pedal up to 14 miles per hour. And now here's acceleration of 36 volt in throttle only. And now I'm going to try the top speed of this. 18 miles per hour on 36 volt. Gonna try again. 20. 23. And after validating the speedometer app, it was 23 miles per hour as well. And there you have it, DIY e-bike. Thank you for watching.